So this is a video to help students with how to use anydesk.com. Anydesk.com, this is a tool so that the teacher or someone in ADVETI can help you to use your computer for a short time and help you to fix any problems if we can't fix them over the phone. So you go to the internet, you type in anydesk.com, enter, then you click here on free download. It will download here in the corner. I have done it many times today. So when it's finished, you open the download, and here is the screen. So this is where I will type the number in to help you, and this is the number of your computer that you need to give me. You will have a different number. So you give me the number on your computer. So the number I have is this, and this is for my daughter's computer downstairs. Just ignore that. On the other side, you need to click accept. It will have a green button and a red button. You click accept, and then I look. So this computer now is my daughter's computer downstairs. So just for a short time, I am able to use her computer. So you can actually chat to me there. There my daughter's just said, "Hello, Daddy." And I am able to close things down. I can look at your computer. It's a bit slower. But yeah, I am able to use your computer just quickly to open a few things. Okay, there you go. So I can open, I can listen to things and try and fix the problems. Once you finish, it's not permanent. If you want me to stop seeing your computer, you just click on disconnect and I am gone. Okay?